Now move straight to this. Sorry, you know. Okay, once we are through with all these, the next thing is to check for double registration. Now, what we're gonna do is checking for double registration. Now, we're gonna do. I'm gonna write some codes here, which you need to follow up. Check email query equals. Now I'm gonna write some more. Now we're gonna use select from select all from users. That means the table where we already have the something stored. Users where in capital where user email equals user email. Okay, so once you're through with that, the next thing is to write the run query equals MySQL query Now this is where we're going to call for the file we already have in that place. So okay, now I'm sorry. Okay, dbcon check. That means this check email query. Yeah, now that means this is to fetch our connection from here. You can see dbcon. Now this is to select. That means to check for us. But before it can check, that means query. That means it needs to first connect. Once the connection is successful, then it can now check. And what is the function of the check? Select all. This is a sign for all in SQL from users. That means the table we created is called users. Now as you can see, the table we have here is users. The database name is line. So the table we have here, it's what? Users. So now check where this is equal to this. If it is equal to that, good. Now the next thing we're going to do is to run an if statement if this exists. Good. Now they said if MySQL number rows is greater than 0, run query is greater than 0. That means if we check if it could find any, that means more than 0, that means 1. That means if this is true, if it is greater than 0, that means the person has registered before. But if it is not, that means it should take in the value. coming in. Now you need to open the parentheses and close the parentheses as well. Then you need to echo. Now echo this, and remember to close it with a semicolon. Echo scripts. Close our script as well. Let's not forget to close our scripts. Scripts alert. 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 Email. Email. That means the user email is already in the database. Okay. Now I'm gonna exit under this. Now kindly follow on as we're going. Now once this is not correct, once it doesn't find any in the database, the next thing for it is to insert. Now we insert our values in the database. Good. Now what we're going to do next is write some variables out and make sure we are correct with what we are doing here. Now what we need to do right now is this insert underscore user equals. Now this, I'm going to write some SQL commands here, so I want you to follow me as I'm doing insert into users. What is the users? That means the table we already created. Users, this, okay, users. Now name, user name underscore name, okay, user underscore email, user underscore password, okay, value, open another one, close it. That means we are merging this together. Now you can copy the same thing, but you just need to put the sign there. After this, a comma, this again, a comma, this again, a comma. I think that's all for now. Do I need one more here? I think I need one more here. Now sorry, the $sign name, $sign username, the $sign user email, user password, okay. So now I want you to with this. Now that means let's check again, please. Name, user underscore name, user underscore email, user underscore password, name, email, password. I think they are correct. So the next thing for us is to move on. Now we have if. We're going to run if statement if the